Alright, so you gotta cycle the key on position so we can able to press that little button down there. This one right here to release it. There we go. Then we're gonna get rid of this. Cut this. There you go. Ooh, I'm almost out. Mix it well. Again, we're gonna cycle the key on and select to accessory so we can press this in. All right. And it's gonna go right. Oops. 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 It doesn't want to go in. There we go. That's the spot right there. There we go. Then plug this back. Oh, wrong way. It is a beautiful day. Okay. Then, oops. Don't forget this. All right, let's see if we can break this loose using this. Oops. Nope, wrong way. Nope. Nope. There you go. Alright guys, so now your anti-theft protection is done. But what happened if your ignition cylinder or the switch broke down? With this vehicle, you gotta deal the whole thing. You cannot replace this anymore by itself. You have to go replace this all the way here, including the switch. Then I think this one you can reuse that. Yeah, so yeah, you're buying the whole thing instead of just the cylinder or the switch. So the question is, are you guys up to this recall? Yeah, let me know guys. All right, so let's go ahead and put it all back together. Are we gonna need the ring? Okay, I think we need it. Yep, there you go. It is a dirty car. Ooh. Oh, come on. Oops, don't do that. There we go. One more on the bottom. All right. Okay guys, a few more things. I'm gonna go ahead and install, oh they have one, but I need to go remove them because this one is just the anti-theft logic improvement. Yeah, it says Hyundai anti-theft protection. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of that and install this. All right guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.